basically get the stuff on my hands and then put my hands in my eyes. It's just too much, you know. Your girl, your eyes gonna be burning. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Jasmine by Repeats, and I know you guys are like, why is she in the dark? Because I promised you guys that I would show you a video of how I get ready to go to bed in my car. So that's what I'm gonna do now. I work today. I gotta make sure my lanyard's off. Is it off? Yeah. So I'm literally just getting off from work, and I wanted to film this video like where some light is. So I'm currently at like a QT now because I know where I park at. It's kind of dark and you guys wouldn't be able to see me. So I'm parked here now, and I'm just going to show you guys a few things that I do to get ready to go to bed in my car. So I have my organizer bag, and I'll go over that in like a separate video because like I said, it's too dark in here to go like over every single detail. So I'm just going to show you guys a few things that I do to get ready. So first thing I like to do is I like to take my contacts out because I do wear makeup. As you guys can see, I do wear makeup, so I'm gonna have to use my makeup wipes or whatever. And I don't want to basically get the stuff on my hands and then put my hands in my eyes. It's just too much, you know. Your girl, your eyes gonna be burning. So I typically go ahead and take my contacts out. So this is my contact case here. Duh. Contact solution. Your girl is blind, she can't see that good, okay? Bear with me. So I'm gonna take my contacts out. In my organizer bag, it's like totally fine. I just put my contacts in there so they don't mess up or anything in my bag. So that's cool. So now that I got my contacts out, I'm going to go ahead and take my makeup off. Now honestly, sometimes I do go into QT and wash my face at night because I always have to pass a Q-tape. I always have to pass so many QT, so normally I'll just go in there and rinse my face off really quick. Or there is also a Planet Fitness not far from my job. I'll go in there and rinse my face off. Being that it has been cold like the past couple nights or whatever, I don't typically shower at night. I literally do it in the morning because I don't want to have to shower and then get back in my car and my pores are basically open and I'm sleeping outside. Your girl ain't trying to get sick, okay? Okay. Try and get as much of that makeup off as possible. I normally use at least 2 wipes because I try to get as much off as possible off my face. Especially if I'm not going inside anywhere to rinse my face off. Alright, hopefully y'all can still see me. Y'all, I'm so blind. Alright, so now I'm just going to go ahead and remove my earrings that I have on. And I typically just put these earrings. I have a bag of earrings behind my seat, like costume jewelry, inside my organizer bag. So I just put like my jewelry inside, like the little Forever 21 bag. It ain't real jewelry, it's fake. And I make sure I get all my jewelry off. Y'all, tonight is actually really warm. It's like, oh god, don't give me the lie. How many degrees is it out here? I'll show you guys on my car. When I crank my car back up, I'll show you guys exactly how many degrees it is out here today. But yeah, so I take my jewelry off. I'm not going to show y'all on camera me changing, but I'm going to change my clothes. Let me show you guys what I put on. The only thing honestly I'm changing tonight is my bottoms. I'm gonna take my jeans off. I'm gonna keep this top on because it is short sleeve. I'm gonna keep this top on, and I'm just gonna put on these night pants. And I honestly wear these night pants every single night. because they're like really cozy and comfortable. And sometimes like when it's really cold, I just wear leggings and I put this over my leggings. And then I always have this fuzzy jacket on. My best friend actually bought me this jacket, so yeah, I always have that on as well, so that way I can stay warm. So that's that. Okay, so I'm about to change my pants really quick, and I'll be right back, and I'll show you guys how I actually lay my covers down and my back seat and everything. Alright guys, so now I have my pajama pants on. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys now how I get my covers out and lay them out for the night. So come with me to the back seat real quick. Now I don't have a light at the top over here, so it's gonna be kind of hard to see, but I'm gonna show you guys what I can. So that I don't have, that's just the shirt I had on this weekend. I don't have my covers in my back seat, riding around in my back seat. I actually keep them behind this seat in my trunk. So I have a push to start cart, so I just basically use the key. Oh my god. So I basically just use my key to open this thing up here and pull my seat down. So I'm trying to figure out which is better, recording on my cell phone or my camera at this point. But okay, so I'm trying to show you guys how to, I'm gonna do it with my phone real quick just to see how this is gonna work out for you, girl. But yeah, I'm gonna show you guys, so my camera is super heavy. I'm gonna show you guys how I get my covers out. Alright, so these things here is just like those little neck things that most people wear when they're traveling, you know, airplanes, etc. These are two of my favorite blankets that I also use as well. I got some lights in my bag. Hold on. This might work. Jesus, if I can get them out. Child, I wasn't even digging in the bed. That's embarrassing. Oh my god. Okay. Alright. That should put on for me. Alright, so we got these lights here. So I'm going to use these. So hopefully you guys, it's just my lights that I keep in here. Once I get everything set up, hopefully I can like put these up in my other car that I'm going to be using instead of this car. But for tonight, this is what we're going to use as our light. Ooh, and it worked pretty good. Okay, light come through, light come through. Alright, so we're just going to, I'm gonna wrap it around this thing here. Yeah. The other side, maybe. Yeah, maybe that'll work a little. So I'm gonna go ahead and let my seat down. Okay, so now my seat is coming down, and as you guys can probably see, my covers are like literally right here. So I literally just have to pull my covers out. Hopefully you guys can see this. Okay, so I literally just have to pull my covers out, and then in the morning I just pull them right back in, pushing right back in there. So tonight is pretty warm, so I don't really need all my covers. I'm just gonna use my 2 blankets and this comforter to lay down on my seat. So I'm now closing that bag. Okay, so I got that closed bag. Oh, look, you can see my vibrant piece thing in my mirror. So cool. But yeah, all right, so I'm going to show you guys really quick how I lay my covers down. I just put my big cover on the bottom first. I lay that cover down first, and I just laid it across my entire back seat. Comment below if you guys prefer me to do this in the daytime. I just want to show you guys real life action of how it gets done, because I do see a lot of videos where people are showing me like different ways to do certain things, but low-key I like to see it in real action, not, oh, this is what I would do. I want to see how you actually do it, you know, like don't be feeding me no bull crap. So I got the covers down, and then I have my 2 blankets that I sleep with all the time, or sometimes I only sleep with 1. Then I have my 2 pillows here. And where's the other one? Oh, it's right here. Right here. So this is pretty much my bed. This is pretty much my bed. I got it all set up. I got my pillows here. That one of my subscribers did tell me that I should like keep lay my back seat down and then put my feet inside. But how my life is set up, I got a lot of stuff in my trunk. So in order for me to do that, I would have to minimize a lot of things out of my trunk, and it's kind of hard for me because I kind of like need everything that's in there. Well, at least I think I do. So yeah, so that's that, guys. And typically what I would do is I'll be on my laptop editing videos, or like, yeah, editing videos, or just scrolling down my social media, responding back to you guys' comments. So yeah, this is how I get ready for bed at night. And then if you guys want to see another get ready with me, please stay tuned. Make sure you guys hit the like and subscribe button so that way you all can keep up with my upcoming videos. And again, thank you guys so much, you know, for all your support and all your feedback. It really means a lot to me. I'm not staying at QT. If you guys have not seen my video about me staying at QT one time before, you need to watch that. But I'm not staying at QT. I just wanted to record this video here at QT so that I had some type of light, and that didn't even work because this ain't even enough light for me. Because where I do park at, it is kind of dark in that area. So yeah, this is, you know, your girl ready for bed. Again, thank you guys so much for watching. Always remember, vibe and peace. Bye.